a biological need. Shelter is a psychological need. Shelter is a social need. Yeah, it's about biodiversification. No more commanding or controlling, no more power over. We're gonna have biodiversity and togetherness, and we're gonna collaborate to make life even more wonderful. Come on, superheroes. Come on, and we're gonna use the most amount of love and the most amount of care. Least amount of force and control, and love is there. We're gonna have biodiversity, unity, and togetherness. No more enforcers. Get off the beach. Superheroes, superheroes, go, 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 go. We're coming to a campus. Over here. No more enforcers. Take off your uniform if you want to join us. Otherwise, get out. You're not welcome here. My friend. Yeah, then take that off. Otherwise, he's gonna want to hug you. Give me a hug. See what I mean? Don't hug me. You won't. You won't. You won't. Where's my other friend? You guys are all new. Let me hug. Okay, so if you won't hug, that means you guys are in your beta brainwaves. It means you are in your sympathetic nervous system. It means you're not relational. It means you're not part of my community. Get the fuck out! You won't give me a hug? You're not part of my tribe. That's what's up. He'll give me a hug. He'll give me a hug. He'll give me a hug. We'll work together. We'll learn and grow together. We know each other's needs. We know each other's biofield. We care about each other's feelings. Unlike you guys, you're unconscious because you're listening to another authority. You're not about what you're about. You're not coming from your heart. You're coming from someone else, and you're a superhero. You're meant for so much more. Awaken and unite with the power of our love and get the fuck off the beach. No more enforcers on this beach. It's gonna be a high-tech heaven on earth. Our community is too strong for you. Our togetherness is too powerful. Our love is too amazing. And our interdependence is too epic. You guys are gonna have to join us or get the fuck out. We know each other's needs. We move and breathe together. We eat together. We're a group conscious mind, which means we're smart. We're not stupid because we're not separated and alone. When you're a group conscious mind, you're an interdependent tribe. And you guys know each other's needs. We're not supposed to be separated in a market economy, listening to what someone else is about. That's why our ocean's turning to acid. We went from 70% oxygen to 20% oxygen. That's why we're stupid. We got 80% nitrogen in our air and 2% other gases mixed in. We could change it. Just by biodiversity, we could get 80% oxygen. We could make our ocean more alkaline. We can, not our kids. By the time our planet gets to our kids, it's done. We leave the Holocene period, which means we get bad weather. And it's only been 10,000 years of good weather. We're lucky. I'm tired of you guys wasting your time, energy, and attention when you could do so much more. You clean up trash every week, you create nest makers. If you come and garden, you watch life blossom, you're caretakers. I don't want enforcers. Then get away from my speaker and get out of my area. These are my friends. I'm speaking up for them. We're tired of enforcers. People covered in weapons coming in. We don't like that. We don't like power used over us. We don't like threat. We don't like force. We don't like our freedom taken away, getting put in jail. Get out and don't let the 405 hit you in the ass. No more enforcers. Take your uniforms off, come smoke a bong rip with us, or you could just get out. I know you're sane. I know you're doing wrong. I want my super squad. We have one or two things we're here to do. That's our meaning and purpose. I am here to unite and awaken. What are you here to do? You're not a human. You're a superhero. Wake up and come together. Be a part of our tribe or get the fuck out. If you're not a member of Venice tribe, you're a biodiversity. Take care of the air. Take care of We evolved to take care of Earth. We're the stem cells. We're the ones that blossom and pollinate and meet the needs for the planet. We are with the incredible power. Do we have a choice? Do we acknowledge this power? Do we use it over? Do we use it to command and control, or do we use our power with? Do we use our power to empower? And when you come in here and you enforce, you give people two options: submission or rebellion. Those are their only two options: submit or rebel. So we say we're going to throw everything away.
Excuse me, Jen.
From my tribe, you can come to the circle and I'll let you smoke off my bong.
Give me a drum ticket this weekend. I'm gonna be there.
Alright, and you look ridiculous when I know you're here. Connected with you about friendship and interdependence, and this whole command and control is getting old real fast. I know you know domination is not the way to reach partnership. Interdependence. Togetherness is stupid when we're separated. Why do you think we're separated as workers? So other people can benefit off us. The top 1%, while the whole wide world suffers. How about that? Every week you're gonna have to deal with me until you guys score. You in my street now. We're about to bulldoze everything. Start fresh, you know what I'm saying? But the destroyer does not destroy out of malice, but out of love. Forests must burn down so that the new can come, and the soil is ever enriched by the ashes. The phoenixes will rise. Come together now. We may not be able to feel each other and we're there. We're buried under the ground, and our bodies are in place, and we can't move. We can feel each other's energy, and once we rise out as phoenixes from the ashes, rising together, we will unite. And we rise when we acknowledge we're the superheroes, the super squad. A new tribe will come. You can even join my tribe. You come and join our tribe. Look, there's so many of us. Look at our tribe. Look at our tribe. This guy, I don't know him that well, but I know him really well. I know a black. I got 20 best friends. Every 5 seconds, a new best friend. I look, that guy right there. That's the Reverend White. Super class badass. We're all just look that right there. Most powerful superhero right now. Mighty love and empathy will blow your socks off. That's what's up. Be a part of our tribe. We kick the enforcers out. Let's make this beach beautiful and abundant. That's what it's about. Yeah!
Reverend?
How you doing, sir?
What's up, man?
It's good to see you.
Love you guys.